Okay, we're gonna size you to see what rolls work best for you. So we're gonna put one underneath your low back, 1 inch above the iliac bones, and then we're gonna feel your neck curve so the back of your head still touches the ground. What we want is we want a set of rolls that you feel so relaxed you could go to sleep with. Then we want ones that you feel a stretch, okay? So with you being so short, I know that we're not gonna be able to use a very big cushion on your low back. So let's try maybe a 3 inch. We have 2.75 to 3.75. So lift up here and go ahead and arch there. And then same thing, so her neck, you know, she's shorter. I'm gonna go with 3.25, put that there. Now these don't have the groove like the cushions, but it just gives you an idea where to start. So go ahead and lay your legs straight out. You know, so we're checking most of her torso is, you know, on the ground. Maybe it's a little bit high here. So let's move this one out and reduce the size because you're so short. 3 to a 2.75. Go ahead and lay down on that. So yeah, more of your upper torso is there. Now, seems like your neck is a little more flexible than your low back, so let's go up a size on the neck. Okay. And we're looking for something, you know, you pull it down to your shoulders. We're looking for something where your back of your head touches the ground, but it kind of feels comfortable. So, how does that feel?
Feels good.
Okay, so on you, a 2.75, and this is the soft density, and a 3.5 is a medium density. So we're gonna go ahead and put a 3.5 medium under your neck. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and put a 2.75 on your low back. Okay, now lay your legs out. So, gotta make sure those are in your grooves. So, do you feel like a real good stretch anywhere, or do you just feel super relaxed?
I feel relaxed, but a slight stretch.
Okay, and how about your neck?
I feel relaxed in my neck.
Relaxed in your neck, okay. So what we want to do is we want to get the ones that you're relaxed, because that's the smallest and the least dense one. So that's the right size for your low back. But we want one that you can tolerate with your knees bent, because our goal is to actually increase our curvature so we have better posture. So let's go to a medium density in the low back. All right, go ahead. And we're gonna go to a hard density in the neck. And we're gonna see how that does. Okay. All right, so now what kind of a stretch are you feeling? More in both areas?
Yeah, I would say so.
And then how does it feel when you bend your knees?
Feels the same.
Okay.
Yeah.
And see, your torso with the harder cushion is a little more elevated, but that's where we want to create the curvature. So I would say that your correct size would be to get a 2.75 soft and medium, and then in the neck, you're a 3.5 and you need the medium and the hard. So that's how to properly size.